Hey guys, I hope you can hear me. This will be the first video of my talking videos while riding, but yeah, I hope you can understand me and the quality is good. I will also check it when I'm done riding, because now I have the mic inside my helmet above my nose, but yeah, I need to try which angle would be the best to record my voice and that you can understand me quite good. And also I want to try not only to do English talking videos, so also my German community can understand me and also hear me sometimes speaking German. But I will mainly stick to English because then everyone can understand me. And yes, and that's why my English is how do I say, it can be better, but for those wondering, that's why I'm from Germany, so I'm not from the US or something. So yeah, and today is a very nice day, very sunny and very hot. I'm also sweating right now, but yeah, I also recorded some videos and stuff, so I need to take the opportunity when it's good weather to go for a ride. And it's right now 10:50 AM, so in the morning it's not that hot than during the day, but yeah, I hope the first talking video is quite okay, and you can also let me know what you guys want to know. Then I also have some things I can also, I don't know, talk about in the videos and tell you something about me or about the bike or how to get a license, and yeah. But so if I talk about myself, as I said, I'm from Germany. I have my license since 2 years. Right now I did directly the big license, the A license, and yeah, the bike is the Honda CBR 650R from 2024 without e-clutch, and yeah, it's completely black because there were some stickers, but I removed them, so it has a clean look now. And also the sports exhaust is from MIF GP Pro. And yes, it's quite nice, and I also will try to get some sound checks or record the sound while riding, and then I will also see how the quality is. And yes, so yeah, I hope you guys doing good. If you're doing a license right now, or if you are still in the thinking process if you want to do a license, or which license and what bike you want to get, all those questions you can ask me, and then I can also, I don't know, in each talking video I can speak more in detail about it, give you some tips which would be a good starter bike, stuff like this. And yeah, and yes guys, I'm wearing gear. It's just under my hoodie. I have something from Alpinestars, and over it I wear a hoodie, so yeah. But yeah guys, I can tell riding is very nice, but you need to be always careful. Also look what the others do, and yeah. But it makes very much fun if I speak about myself, and yeah. So, but it's an expensive hobby. But once you have everything, then yeah, then you're pretty good to go, and you don't need to buy every year or stuff new things. So I bought everything I have from the beginning, and I still have it, so I don't have any issues. Like my gloves are pretty fine, my boots are also pretty fine, and my helmet also, so yeah. Let's see. Yeah, guys, and if you're wondering where I am riding most of the times, it's in the area of the Lake Constance, so in the south of Germany. And yes, so it's a pretty nice view, also nice to live here.